What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So first off, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Second off, hopefully this holiday season was a great holiday season for you guys. I hope you guys spent a lot of time with family, friends, and also loved ones. But in this video, I want to take you guys back on memory lane and some of the key highlights of 2021. Some of the highs, some of the lows, and some of the low lows. But if you guys are first tuning in, my name is Ken. My channel is about my F80 M3 and also the behind the scenes with BMW Invasion. And if you guys seen this channel for a little bit, you guys seen a lot of the stresses that we deal with on planning these events for BMW Invasion, and also some of the good times, you know, the good times of meeting you guys, whether it's on Impact, some of our previous events. And it's so cool to put a face to the car and then the car to the IG name. I love making these videos because it just brings me back towards that time of period where I was filming it, where I was meeting some of you guys. And 2021, man, I gotta say, guys and girls who are, you know, you guys watching this, I gotta say it's been such a hectic year. A lot of planning on previous events, a lot of stresses on, especially the last event at the Poconos, last minute cancellations and how we reacted to that. And also, when I think back about 2021 and the entirety of the channel, I just see a lot of growth that has gone on this channel, and I'm gonna bring that towards 2022. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see some of my stories, and I always say this is like a gift. Even in the last video, this is gonna be my gift to you guys. I want to step with the quality, and hopefully you guys can see it right now. So the lens I have on right now, like I mentioned in the last video, is the Sony G Master lens 16-35. And then recently I took the plunge and I bought a new camera. Did I need it? Is it overkill? Probably, but I'll grow into it. That's the main thing. I'll grow into it. So what I picked up was a Sony A7 IV, which is basically a new version of the A7 III, but I wanted to start using the Sony camera to start vlogging, only because the new camera has a lot more features, and also I have a flip out screen where I can make sure I'm in frame, and also I'm not oversaturated with the lighting, and making sure everything's okay for you guys, because I want the best quality for you guys to view everything. So with that being said, let's tune into the video, and I want to thank you guys again. So that's it.
BMW Invasion, on behalf of Dallas, Texas, and the BMW drivers of Dallas, we'd like to thank you guys for coming out here. You guys did a tremendous job. We hope to see you guys again next year, so thanks a lot, guys.
Isn't it crazy how like events like this bring people together?
Yeah.
Right? Morning, guys. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm gonna be on my way to Orlando, and this is gonna be Obsessed Garage's open house. What'd you get stopped for?
I guess we were hooning. Too much hooning.
We'll link up again when we come back.
Yes, sir.
Chris, nice to meet you.
Seen you, bro.
Oh, I've seen you before.
Yeah, great seeing you.
Good to see you again, too. All right, guys, so we are at Fort Lauderdale Airport. We are going to be heading to Bozeman Airport, family vacation videos. This is didn't realize it was going to be definitely, yeah, I thought it was going to be like bullshit, but this is interesting. Alright, we just did about maybe an hour, maybe like 2 miles already. In the beginning I was dying, but Ricky could keep up. I gotta hats off to him. But here's the steep part.
Tomorrow, y'all strap y'all stuff up, yourself up well. I don't want y'all hanging out the car. If your camera's about to fall, listen, let it go.
And I guess Miguel really said it correctly earlier. Whatever could go wrong, has gone wrong. About to go and enjoy the footage. Enjoy the footage.
Made me create the Instagram account, and when I did, I found you guys, and then I found BMW Invasion. I found the next event. We had just missed the Poconos. Bear Mountain.
Okay.
Long story short, all these guys talking tough. I sent them the website. I'm like, bro, my ticket's bought. Let's go. And nobody else followed through, so I'm like, I don't care. And then she got super excited, and then she started gaining a passion for this. And then that's when I said, you know what? I'm gonna keep it with the NA experience, no turbos.
Yeah.
I found an E90, really good deal. And
This is Jane and your husband again? Mike. Mike. They came all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. They came to a second event for BMW Invasion. I appreciate them. It was nice chatting with you guys. And we'll definitely see you guys in future events.
Yeah.
Yes, let us know. Just keep us.
Of course.
We're waiting for that email.
I know.
Morning guys, so early morning. We're about to start heading over to MPAC.
Yeah, I'm at the top of my game. It's only Christ to blame. We know the reason you came. Diamonds and dollars and chains. How about you? Sit back. I got this. Relax. Who said I changed up? Yeah, cause I said I'ma need racks. Got plans on the right path. Do my dance. Cause I like that. It's no chance. Don't fight back.
I just put on both wheels onto the driver's side. Now we're gonna be doing the passenger side. And my God, it looks insane. It looks incredible.
I made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the
What's up guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today we're gonna be heading up to Orlando for Desolands, Cars and Octane. And when I get those positive feedback, I feed off of it. It makes me so motivated to give you guys good quality content, and that, it means a lot to me. You guys are first tuning in, my name is Ken. I want to thank you guys for your time. And I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I want to thank you guys again, I want to thank you guys again. I know I thank you guys on the last one. So, like I said, this is the best community out there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
See you.
And other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Ken, if you forget, we got you, dude. But that's officially a wrap. Completely empty lot. And day. What a freaking day in Texas. Still got a race car over there. That's a cut.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow.